Alright, so I'm sure a bunch of you are running down in the comments and trying to put a comment in to win this giveaway. You guys saw the title. I'm giving away a Mobula6 in this video, but you should probably listen to the video and the instructions down in the description before you make your comments so you don't get disqualified. So in your comment, and please only leave one comment, otherwise you'll be disqualified for multiple comments, I would like to know why you think the Mobula6 is the best 65mm whip, or if you think that there's some other whip that's better, for example the Meteor 65. I would also like to know that as well. So yes, this is a giveaway, but this is kind of sort of a hidden poll. I'm interested in getting some feedback from you guys, at least my the community in my channel, as to what is currently out there as a bind and fly. Obviously you can source your own parts and motors and props and everything and build your own, probably something better than you can possibly buy off the shelf. But I'm just curious what you guys think is currently the best 65mm whip out there and the reasons as to why that is. And I'm going to be checking that in the comments. So basically, if I read your comment as I pick a random winner and I don't feel like it's satisfying my question here, then I'm probably going to pass you over and choose someone else. So in addition to the comment, of course you need to be subscribed to my channel, and I need to be able to verify that. So your subscriptions need to be public. If they're not, then you need to make that before I choose the winner, and I'll be choosing the winner in about a week. And since in the last few giveaways no one's come back to check if they've won, I will have a winner's announcement video for this one in about a week. Lastly, I really hope that you will like the video in addition to leaving a comment. I'm hoping that the number of comments left versus the number of likes given to the video. In the last few giveaways, like, very few people have liked the video even though there's a giveaway, and kind of makes me not want to do these. So if I see a ratio of 90% of likes to comments, like total comments, then what I'll do is I'll try and see if I can get Beta FPV to do a giveaway of one of their Meteor 65s, and then I could show them that, yeah, a lot of people liked the Mobula6 giveaway. Maybe that'll give them some incentive to provide one of these as a giveaway from Beta FPV. So hopefully, if you guys like the video and there's 90% of likes to comments, which I'm hoping is a good ratio, then I'll go ahead and see if I can get another giveaway in the future for the Meteor 65. Anyway, that's it for this video. Good luck, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.